Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gardenwood. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm starting my video with my little zen corner which I am trying to do. It's not yet completed but I think it looks good. It looks not very perfect but yeah, it's looking beautiful. So here is the light from where my plants are getting additional lights whenever there is dark. However, my room is quite bright due to this door opening, and there is my big window. So my living room is quite bright. Still, in the cloudy days, it becomes dark, so I have additional light. It's not a plant specific light, but still it gives a little bit of it can help the plants right. And look at this, how peaceful and beautiful it's looking. And there are some new growths. This is my philodendron micans, and I had added some pothos and some syngoniums. Here, back here, it is snake plant. Okay, here is my little cutie pie. Look at her. So I just love this corner. Okay, so today's video, what I wanted to show is a little update on my garden, what's going on. It's quite a time that I haven't filmed any video. I was quite busy with my personal life, with my family and friends, so it was a little bit more busier months. Both of my families, like my mom and my in-laws, both were here for quite a long time, and I was quite we were having a good time together, and that's the reason that I didn't film. I didn't wanted to um, uh, what I just didn't wanted to ignore them, and I just spend all my time with them. So that is the reason I didn't film it. Okay, here there are two boxes. One box is having orchids, the other box is having rain lilies. So yeah, probably I'll make the unboxing video today by evening. Now look at the sun. A little bit of sunlight is there, not much, because from 2 to 3 days it's raining and it's raining. And just showing my blooms. This is my orchid. I think Pulcherima variety. Let me focus. Yeah, look at this. Very tiny flowers, but very delicate and beautiful. And it blooms for quite a long time, friends. Like it's blooming now, and it will bloom till February. So quite a long time of blooming. There were more flowers which I think I couldn't film it. This is again one of my orchid, Dendrobium pericii. Beautiful. Everything is growing, friends. Everything is growing beautifully. So since it's raining, so now we are seeing more of a green growth than flowers, but still there are few flowers here and there. uh, Here in my whole orchid, what do you call, orchid jungle, Dendrobium jungle, I have only two spikes. One is blooming, this one is about to bloom. And look at this. blooming very pretty, beautifully. There are two buds more to open. And here is my Pride of India plant, or furus, what you call furus flower. She is full of buds. She is full of buds. Look at her. Um, Still there are more buds to open, and the bees, the bumblebee, they just love this flower. And there are more over there. And my what do you call, blue flower plant. I don't remember what it's called. Aprajita. So my Aprajita, she is in her full glory. Let me focus. Look at her. I will also put an a clip of yesterday's bloom. It was blooming so beautifully, so pretty. It was really good. And my bougainvillea, they are throwing new leaves. Now I'm training my bougainvillea. If you can see, I'm training my bougainvillea up there so that it can climb this trellis and give all the red and pinkish flowers. Very beautiful. And due to rain, there are some splashes on the flower. This is my Dendrobium white. It's a hybrid Dendrobium. You can see the spots. Actually, that is because of rain. We are having rain from I think 2 days, and it's raining so much, friends. It's raining heavily. Here, look at my Charlie plant. I had pruned her, so now she is giving all the new leaves. Here is my anthuriums, my jungle, my this baby. This is Melanochrysum philodendron. So she has this little burns in the summer, but now I think she'll be doing fine, and she has grown quite a lot, quite a lot. She's my silver philodendron, and she is my elbow. This is the new leaf she has given. Okay, and what more? What more? These are my caladiums, which have just gone enormous. Look at look at him. He's the elephant in the room. Look at this leaf, beautiful. And there are more caladiums which are coming up. She's just so cute. Look at her, so cute, isn't it? So there are so many other things which will be blooming afterwards in my garden, but for now it's just this much which are blooming. And with that note, have a great day, have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family, and be happy. Happy gardening. Thank you. Bye bye.